our customers.
A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties/areas. Florida, at 6:18 p.m. on September 26th, 2020, effective until 8:18 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Mackenzie Vega, a black Hispanic female, 11 years old, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 120 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 1900 block of West Kelly Park Road in Apopka, Florida, who was last seen wearing a yellow training bra and gray shorts. The child has long, brown curly hair that she wears in a ponytail high on her head. The child may be in the company of Keith Edward Green Jr., the black male, the known height, the known weight, black hair and black eyes. They may be traveling in the 2017 Silver Hyundai Elantra, Texas tag number MD3055. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Orange County Sheriff's Office at 1-866-858-2233 or 911 #Fl Amber.
Sure. What else is he?
The passenger in seat.
If you got a parachute, this would be